Welcome to NextBlock News, where we break down the signals, trends, and crypto catalysts that could shape your portfolio. No fluff, just straight up analysis. If you're looking for bearish takes, today's not the day. This episode is all about bullish momentum, market triggers, and what's quietly building under the surface. Let's dive in. There are quite a few moving parts right now, and any one of them could light the fuse for altcoins to officially enter a crypto bull market. We'll start by looking at Bitcoin's daily chart, then shift to some critical on-chain data like the MVRV Z-Score, and finish with key insights from risk models on Cardano and Ethereum. But first, some headlines making waves. S&P 500 futures jumped over 1% on reports that the U.S. Treasury Secretary is meeting with China's top economic official this week. These discussions could cool down tariff tensions, and that's a massive potential catalyst for risk-on assets like crypto. Meanwhile, a surprise statement from Donald Trump teased a truly earth-shattering announcement. No details yet, but if it's major policy-related or impacts global trade, it could ripple straight into crypto momentum. Back to Bitcoin. The key resistance zone is between $96,000 to $101,000. Bitcoin has been hovering just below that range, with moving averages curling upward. A clean breakout here could set the tone for the next leg up. Now let's bring in the MVRV Z-Score, one of the more reliable on-chain metrics. This score shows whether Bitcoin is trading significantly above or below the average price paid by holders. When it's high, we're usually overheated. When it's low, we're undervalued. Right now, the MVRV is floating just above the 3 mark, a level we've historically seen right before previous bull runs. Back in October 2020, the score was in this same zone before Bitcoin rocketed up. Same pattern in 2017, even in 2013. This mid-range zone preceded explosive moves. What does this mean? Bitcoin is not yet overvalued, and history suggests we might be on the edge of another surge. Shifting our focus to altcoins, let's begin with Cardano. Based on our risk analysis, ADA currently falls within a moderate buying range. It has been moving sideways since December, and unlike previous market cycles, we haven't seen its signature parabolic surge yet. A broader view suggests Cardano still in a quiet phase before a potential major move. Ethereum, even more interesting. Our heat map shows Ethereum in a similar pre-bull phase. Risk is currently at 26, historically a launchpad level. Both the last cycles showed Ethereum lingering at these scores before takeoff. So no, that recent move we saw, that wasn't the bull market, just a warm-up. These models don't just help identify entry points, they're essential for planning exits and managing risk when the market finally heats up. You don't want to round-trip a bull market by the top and ride it all the way back down. These tools help you stay sharp. Let's pull it together with a visual look at Cardano. ADA has been testing a major resistance zone for months, the so-called bull market doors, and repeatedly getting rejected. But if a macro catalyst like a Fed pivot, easing tariffs, or increasing money supply hits, we could break through fast. Look at the past. When Cardano moves, it moves fast. You don't get weeks to prepare. We could easily double in price within days or weeks if momentum kicks in, back above $1. Very possible, $1.25, not far off. So the big message to past day, stay ready. You don't have to be a bull, but even the bears should watch for major catalysts. Markets often explode when people least expect it. That's all for today. If you found value in this breakdown, hit subscribe and like to stay ahead of the curve. More insights, charts, and market signals coming soon. This is NextBlock News. See you in the next one.